Okay, I'm going to start my comment about that video that girl posted. Uh, First of all, I'm going to say this. You're wrong. Not everybody's trying to fit in a clique, like turning into an emo. Like, not everyone's just conforming to the society and to the people, and not everyone's trying to be posers and be cool. Have you ever thought that maybe some people are just that way? That's their way of expressing themselves. Um, Sometimes I think that how can I put this idealism to many people's heads? Like, fuck, why do we need to stereotype many people? Maybe that's just what they believe in, and you should respect them for not bashing your beliefs after you did bash their beliefs. Like, why can't we just not stereotype people and understand them? Like, not everyone is like us, right? Not everyone's a metalhead, not everyone's a goth, not everyone's a punk. Like, it's all about the music. First of all, I just was very disappointed when I saw this video a while ago. Like, the people in Mexico are really hurting people with them trying to help each other, hurting other emo people. What is that about? It was so inhumane, kind of like barbaric. Like, I'm embarrassed right now to say that I'm a human being because that was another human being saying shit like that, and it disappoints me. Like, I get called emo a lot of times, but nobody even tries to see or perceive something beyond what I look like. It that like I always want to say to them after they say to me that I'm an emo, like I'm going to say to them, "Hey, I even listen to heavier bands than you do. Like, do you even listen to Cannibal Corpse or something?" Like, it just sickens me. Why can't we just all get along? Not everyone's going to like you for who you are, right? Like, not everyone's the same. N- Not even all emo people cut themselves. Why don't people call the fans of Slayer gay or emo for cutting themselves? They cut their wrist and carve Slayer icons on their wrists, right? And Robert Halford of Judas Priest is gay, and it's really hard to accept the fact that more emos are called gay than him. It really upsets me when I saw that video. Now many people perceive emo as a bad thing.